In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix wallet network fees within the Trust Wallet app. We all know how exciting it is to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, but encountering unexpected network fee issues can be a bit of a setback. Fortunately, navigating these bumps is easier than it seems, and I'm here to guide you through the process with ease and clarity. So, let's jump right in and smooth out those transactions. First, you'll want to start by opening the Trust Wallet app. As soon as you do, you'll notice an array of features on your screen, tailored to make managing your crypto experience seamless. These include options like send, swap, fund, and sell. Also prominently displayed are the tokens you hold, showcasing the diversity in your portfolio. Today, we'll focus on resolving network fee issues that occasionally appear when you're trying to conduct a transaction. Now, let's say you're in the process of making a transaction. You would typically begin by clicking on Send and then select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Once you've done that, you'll need to paste the recipient's address and enter the amount you intend to send. After verifying the details, your next step will be to click Preview. It's here that you might encounter a network fee problem, something that can be a bit frustrating when you're eager to complete your transaction. But worry not. If you find yourself facing this issue, your screen will display a gear icon located at the top right corner. This small icon is your gateway to resolving the problem. As soon as you click it, Trust Wallet provides you with the ability to manually adjust the network fee. At this point, you have the flexibility to increase the fee slightly. By doing so, you can help expedite the transaction process, making it more likely for your transaction to be prioritized and processed more swiftly. Once you've adjusted the network fee to a level you're comfortable with, it's essential to confirm the transaction again. Give everything a final look over to ensure that all the information is correct. With this tweak in place, your transaction should now glide smoothly through the network, eliminating the delays caused by insufficient network fees. And there you have it, a straightforward method to fix wallet network fees in Trust Wallet, ensuring that your transactions go through without a hitch. As always, be sure to double-check all your details before confirming any transaction, as accuracy is key in the world of cryptocurrency. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it empowers you to tackle any network fee issues with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.